Hey, Jacob here from ABC Window Supply. Today we're taking a look at a new descender that we're carrying from Edelrid called the Megawatt. So let's dive in. Now before we get started, it's important to note info in this video is accurate at time of filming, but as always, for the most up-to-date information, check out the manufacturer's website and their instruction manual. Also, this video is not a substitute for proper training. It's up to you to make sure you and your crew know how to use the device properly. Now the Megawatt is a self-braking descender. That means as I'm descending, if I let go of the handle, it'll come to a stop. Now the Megawatt is also anti-panic. That means that while I'm descending, if I pull the handle too hard, I'll come to a stop. Something a little bit unique about the Megawatt is the handle works in both directions. So now to reset, I can just push it up and start descending again. And then if I panic or if I just want to reset the other direction, I just push all the way to the other side. And now I can return to using it the original direction. Now taking the device on and off of the rope is super easy. Like a lot of self-braking descenders, you can actually do it without taking it off of the carabiner, helping to make the device drop-proof. It has a two-part mechanism, so when you push in this button, it opens part-way, and you can now see the red indicator that it's not fully closed, but it also hasn't fully opened as an extra safety feature. I'll press the button again, and I can swivel the faceplate all the way to the side. Now the rope just slips out and you'll see that it's labeled inside which is your working end and which goes to your anchor. I just put it back on the rope and I can close my front panel and now it's ready to go. Now another cool feature about self-braking descenders like the Megawatt is I can pull on the tail end of the rope and it will go up the rope and progress capture. When used in combination with a handle ascender, this is great for short ascents. Now the Megawatt is meant to be used with 10 to 11.5 millimeter Kern mantle rope. That includes most 7/16" rope, which is the most popular size for professional window cleaning. So that was a little bit about the Megawatt descender from Edelrid. For more information or to purchase, check out our website. And as always, thanks for watching.